orange ones are more cheesy.
What are you gonna pick, Kristen?
Those spicy ones, red.
She wants spicy nachos?
Okay, so just to let you know, we just got to Edmonton and Kristen needs a snack.
And what does she pick?
The
Spicy nachos. Okay, so now we gotta start throwing some money in there. Go for it. Load her up. Where are we at? We got 15 cents. Oh. Huh?
What?
You gotta put it in one at a time. Okay. Oh, it's not even working. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Yeah, it's okay.
You didn't do, don't worry about it.
Just gotta remember to put it at one at a time here. Let me lift you back up. Try her again.
I can do it.
Oh, you do it. Okay. One at a time.
Kayla, what do you think of her choice?
That one, spicy nachos.
How much
spicy
you need? A few more
What
pieces
would you
in there.
have
One
picked?
of those. Yeah, and let's see what else you got.
Kayla just had an ice cream.
And then we got this one, just the little one. Put the little one in.
The blue.
You'd pick the blue, so munchies.
Okay, now you gotta press 9-3.
And then you gotta
First
wash
9,
your hands.
then 3.
Then you gotta wash your hands.
No. 9, 3. Okay. It's stuck. Looks like Dad's gonna have to shake this machine to get her out.
Yeah. Oh, we've got an adventure here. Uh-oh.
Come on, baby.
Oh, it's so close.
Hey, we got her.
Grab that.
Okay.
Oh,
Clear.
is that the right one?
Yeah, right one.
Good.